Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from algebra. We have to find all real solutions given that x less than or equal to 3. So let's get started. We will write a square root of 3 minus x times a square root of 4 minus x plus a square root of 4 minus x times square root of 6 minus x plus square root of 6 minus x times square root of 3 minus x equal to x. Now we will use substitutions. So let us assume square root of 3 minus x equal to u. For x to be real number, u must be non-negative. Square root 4 minus x. Suppose this is equal to v. V must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Then we'll write square root 6 minus x. Suppose this is equal to w. So this must be greater than or equal to 0. Now we can write our equation in u, v and w variable. So equation will become uv plus vw plus wu equal to x. Now we'll square our substitutions. So I can get from here u square plus x equal to 3. U square plus x equal to 3. From second equation, we'll get v square plus x equal to 4. And after squaring third substitution equation, square root 6 minus x equal to w, we will get w square plus x equal to 6. Now here we have x in terms of u, v and w. So we will plug in x value to these equations. So I will begin with first equation u square plus x equal to 3. Let's put x equal to uv plus vw plus wu. So we will write here u square plus uv plus vw plus wu equal to 3. Now from first two terms we'll have u common. From next two terms we'll have w common. So we will write here u in bracket u plus v plus w in bracket v plus u equal to 3. Now u plus v is overall common. So we will get u plus v times w plus u equal to 3. This is our equation number 1. Now we will take up second equation. It is v square plus x equal to 4. In place of x, we will write uv plus vw plus wu equal to 4. Now from first two terms, v is common. So we will get u plus v or v plus u in the bracket. Then we'll have w common. So in the bracket, we'll get u plus v or v plus w equal to 4. Now u plus v is overall common. We'll get our second equation v plus w times u plus v equal to 4. This is our equation number 2. Now we will take up third equation. It is w square plus x equal to 6. We will get result which I am writing here, that is w plus u times v plus w or w plus v equal to 6. Here we'll write equation number 3. Now we have to multiply all the three equations. 1 times 2 times 3. We will get u plus v times v plus w times w plus u whole square will be equal to 3 times 4 times 6, which is equal to 72. Now 72 can be written as 6 square. It is 36 times 2. Now we will take a square root both sides. So we will write u plus v times v plus w times w plus u. This will be equal to plus minus 6 square root 2. Now we have conditions on u, v and w. U, v, w. This is non-negative. So we will write here, if u is greater than or equal to 0, v is greater than or equal to 0, then u plus v must be greater than equal to 0. Similarly, v plus w must be greater than equal to 0. And similarly, we will write third inequality, w plus u must be greater than equal to 0. So from here, this product must be positive, greater than or equal to 0. So we are going to reject this minus sign. It cannot be negative. So we will write u plus v times v plus w times w plus u would be equal to 6 square root 2. Let us say this is our equation number 4. Now I will write all the three equations 1, 2 and 3. Here we have equation 1, 2 and 3. Now we will divide equation 4 by equation 1. Here we have equation 1. Here we have equation 4. So we are going to get v plus w in LHS. Remaining brackets will get over, equal to 6 square root 2 over 3, which will be equal to 2 square root 2. If we will divide 4 with 2, we are going to get w plus u value. W plus u would be 6 square root 2 divided by 4, which will give us 3 square root 2 over 2. Similarly, if we will divide 4 by 3, equation 3, we are going to get u plus v, and this will be equal to 6 square root 2 divided by 6, which will give us square root 2. Now we have to add these three equations. So we are going to get 2 times u plus v plus w in LHS. So let me write here, by adding all the three equations, we will get 2 times in the bracket u plus v plus w will be equal to, we'll write 2 root 2 plus, we'll write 3 root 2 by 2 plus, we'll write root 2. Now we have denominator 2. So I will multiply and divide by 2 here. So I need to multiply here with 2. And here we will multiply with 2. So our denominator will be 2, which is common denominator. So we can write here 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 in the numerator. and 2 would be in the denominator. In LHS, we'll write 2 times u plus v plus w, which will be equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9 square root 2 over 2. In LHS, we'll write 2 times u plus v plus w. Now we have to divide by 2 both sides to get the value of u plus v plus w. So let's divide. 2 over 2 will become 1 over here, and RHS will become 9 square root 2 over 4. So we can write u plus v plus w. This will be equal to 9 square root 2 over 4. Now our target is to find u. So we have both the equations. If I will write u value, then u will be equal to u plus v plus w minus of v plus w. Now u plus v plus w is 9 square root 2 over 4, and v plus w is 2 root 2. So we can write u will be equal to, we'll write here 9 root 2 over 4, which we have calculated, minus 2 square root 2. Now we have denominator 4. So we will write here it is 9 square root 2 over 4 minus 2 square root 2 over 4. So we have to multiply numerator by 4. So this will become u equal to 9 root 2 minus 8 root 2 root 2, and in denominator we will write 4. Now u was our substitution, square root 3 minus x. So I will write here square root 3 minus x equal to square root 2 over 4. Now we'll be squaring our equation to get rid of square root. So let us put here part 2. Let us put here part 2. Now square root and square will get cancelled out. We will write 3 minus x in LHS. Root 2 square is 2. 4 square is 16, which will be equal to 1 over 8. So x will become 3 minus 1 over 8, which we will simplify and get 24 minus 1, which is 23 over 8. So our answer is 23 over 8, and if we will check, then this is slightly less than 3. So answer is 23 over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.